Today, Zimbabweans woke up to a political storm that threatens to shake the party foundations of trust within the ruling elite. Sarabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kunyasoratidza kuti the house is not in order in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panapa pane mashoko ari kubuda ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa pane mari dzakatobuditsiwa ende panguva ino dziri kutofanda kuti aiwa dziwise the vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Ndizana pena mashoko atona kuti Temba Mliswa ari kuonekwa kunzi is at the central point. Panguva ino ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon chipina muna umobudani kwa mchinzi. Allegations have surfaced that Temba Mliswa, a former legislator, received money at President Mnangagwa's private offices in Borodale to orchestrate a smear campaign against Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. The claims made by activist Blessed Geza on X suggest that President Emmerson Mnangagwa himself is behind the funding of this campaign, a charge that, if true, signals deep fractures within ZANU-PF. Mliswa held a press conference this morning, live streamed by Sly Media Productions and Barrister Jojo 24 TV. Many Zimbabweans watched the unease. The timing and the tone of the event have only fueled speculation that this is not merely political theater, but a calculated attempt to undermine Chiwenga's standing ahead of the 2028 elections. But the controversy doesn't end there. In a separate but equally disturbing development, Susan Mutami, former partner of Temba Mliswa, has reignited claims that Mliswa poisoned the late activist Patson Zamara. Zamara, who died of colon cancer in 2020, was a leading voice in the search of his brother Itai Zamara, abducted in 2015 and still missing. Mutami alleges that Mliswa pretended to help Patson while secretly orchestrating his demise, calling him an assassin from Mnangagwa and a long-time CIO informer Temba Mliswa iwe. Ndomashwa ari kuda panapa achitaura awanana chipo musaruro asiziva vachitaura pamusoro pezviri kuitika behind the scenes. Imbotudzai muri Zimbabwe muri kutodii pamusoro pezviitiko zviri kuitika munyika zvamuri kutoona nemalives ari kuitiwa panguva ino. Imbotudzai mafungiro enyu muri kutodii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndakomesa section medu mufungiro enyu. Musana subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.